Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the generation of the C code from the MATLAB. So these are the steps that is required for generation of the C code from the MATLAB function. So .env file is to be converted into C code. So processing unit or algorithm will be expressed as a MATLAB function, and then this MATLAB function or entry point function will be called in another main program. Using MATLAB coder, we can generate C code and .exe file. Next, we will generate packaging of the generated code. It can be used for other application. Then verification of the generated code. Whether the generated code is working properly or not, we have to verify. So for verification purpose, we have to go to the command prompt and open .exe file by giving the appropriate path and press enter button, and we can see the result. And if this result is exactly same of the MATLAB output, we can say generated code is okay. Generated code is working properly. So okay, we are opening MATLAB now. So this is the MATLAB window. So here simple function I have considered addition of two variables a and b. So this processing unit is expressed as a function, and this function will be called in another MATLAB program that is called main program. X equal to 2, y equal to 3, and we are calling this function addition. And this addition function will be converted into C code. So first go to MATLAB coder, click on apps, then MATLAB coder, generate code for the function. We want to generate the code for the addition function. So this is location of the addition function. Open. Then next button. Then where addition function is called. So this is the main program name. In the main program, addition function is called. So input variable type double a and b, and output is one output. There is a next button. You can see right side corner below next. So now click for check for issues. Click on this. It is done. Then again next. Source code, output file name addition. It remains same. Now generate. Click on generate. It will generate the C code and supporting header file. So all supporting header file, C file, C code and header file are generated here. Addition initialize it is a header file. Addition terminate header file. Addition terminate.c, addition initialize.c, addition.c. This is the C code of the MATLAB function addition.m. This is the addition.c. There is also main function. In the main function, entry point function is called, and all RTW types.header file. So all supporting codes are generated here, and we can generate the package. If I click on the package option, for other application we can use this one. It creates the zip file. So now we want to generate Now we want to generate .exe file, executable file we generate. Again click on generate, then this cursor, and build types will be the, okay, go to more settings, all settings. Now type here main, M-A-I-N, main, and click on this, generate and compile an example main function. Select this and right side below close. Now select executable file, now generate. It generates the executable file. It will generate the executable file. Successful. You can see 4 files, C code, binaries, that is addition.exe file is generated, example main files and reports. So these are the location of the generated file. So I'm minimizing this one, open the MATLAB. Okay. So there is a automatic, it is generated, this file codegen, this file is generated. So now .exe file, this is the .exe file. It is working or not, I will to test using command prompt. Open the command prompt, and this path we have to provide, this path. This cd documents MATLAB codegen. Path is set. Now write down addition.exe, addition.exe. If I enter, so no result is given. It means we have to modify the main.c file. Main.c file will be in the example main file. Example. This is example file. This function will be modified. But keep in mind, don't modify here. Just copy it, and save another location outside this folder. So it is I have created this one, so paste it here, paste here. So now modify here. After modification, I will copy it and repaste on the example main file. Now I am modifying this one. Simple modification is done here. Initialization modification already I have done here. This modification is done. Double x, double y, double result, x equal to 2, x equal to y equal to 3, and call the empty point function. This modification is done. Result. So modification part is here, and all other remains same. And also it is included stdio.h because there is a printf function is used, stdio.h. So modification is done. Now copy this one, copy and paste on the example main file. Go to the example file, and this main will be replaced with the modified main.c. Okay, yes. So now we have to delete the previous generated executable file and also delete the obj file. Before creation of new modified exe file, we have to delete the obj file. Okay, obj file is deleted. Now we can, this is bat file is required for recreation of regenerate of .exe file. So codegen exe file and then addition. So this is the path, location of this is the path, exact path you have to provide. This path is very important. This path where this file is located, addition_rtw.bat. Accordingly you have to give the path here. So now write down here executability symbol, addition_rtw.bat. Now enter. it will generate the modified, successfully generated all binary files. You can see here, you can see modified executable file is generated. So okay, come here, this location, this is the modified addition.exe. Now I want to see. So in MATLAB output, in the MATLAB, what is the result? X equal to 2, y equal to 3, result was 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So this is the output of a MATLAB function. And after generation of C code is giving the output in this way. Now write down addition.exe. Now enter. Now see, this is 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So generated C code also giving 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So it means generated code also working properly. So successfully we have generated the code, C code, from the matlab.m file. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.